Welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have part 3 of my Temu haul. Woo! Temu reached out to me and asked me to do a haul, and I was like, sure. I wanted to try them anyway, and here we are. If you haven't seen the other 2 parts of this haul, I would highly suggest that you go back and look at them because there are some really cute items there, crafty items there, you know. So I'd like to remind you that if you are new to Temu and you want 30% off, use code OFF5532. Bag is cute. You can reuse this bag. You know I'm gonna reuse this bag. So I kind of forgot some of the things that I hauled, so I like to have everything. My daughter flipped everything over for me because I want it to be a surprise. You know, you get a few of those in life now. But anyway, let me get started with the first item, and I think I know what this is. This is a part of yesterday's haul, and it is, I don't even think I should pull it out, but it's still the flower mold. So I did not know, and I'm not gonna open, so this is the flower mold as well. I didn't know you got 3 of them. Because here's one, and I know it came with 3. Like, it wasn't even, you guys, this stuff was not even expensive. And here's the third one. I opened this in the haul, part 2 of the haul, but I did not know there was 2 others. So wow, I could definitely save this one for someone if you want to do like a crafty swap, or you know, that, because it's just the same as this one. So I'm not going to open it because that way I can give it to somebody else. But you have that one and this one too, and I shouldn't have opened this because, you know, I could give it away. It's the same flower mold, and it's the same little flower mold. I don't know if you can you see the details? Yeah, you can. So these are good for, I got this to do with my clay, to do cute little clay things. You can even make clay earrings out of this mold. But you could also use this for resin as well. So here's that. So let's see what this is. This is so, y'all will hear me say this is so cute. Warning, I'm gonna be saying that through the whole haul because everything is so cute. I got a lot of charms with this because I wanted to get back into making jewelry, and my youngest daughter, she's been making jewelry. I think that's what kind of inspired me to get into it again. And I wanted to get some things that we could use together, but this is going to be so cute. Also, I think I mentioned it in the other part of the haul. If you want to do like a crafty charm swap with me, because there's so many here, let me know. Oops. Let me know, and we could do like a little crafty charm swap because I won't need all of these. But look how cute this, I don't know if this is my favorite. I mean, this is like about the first thing I opened today. I mean, this is like the first thing I opened this haul. So there's 16 different types of fruit. These are cute, and they feel so light that you could do like the dangles, keychains, little charm bracelets. You could put them on like a cord and make a little necklace. And you could even do earrings because these aren't heavy. So it's not heavy at all. And oh my goodness, how cute would that be? Look at that cherry. How cute would that be as an earring? I think this is my favorite. Oops. This one is my favorite, and it's the little pink strawberry. But these will make I think I'm gonna make some cute little earrings with the strawberry. Here's the next thing, so let's flip it over. Oh, these are cute. No, I think this is my favorite. Let me get them open. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. So these are like little candies, and everything is, like I said, I got a bunch of charms because I wanted to get back into making jewelry. But if you are a paper crafter, you can make some little dangles out of these, keychains, all kind of, like, this is so cute. It's very adorable. And they're so lightweight. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna make earrings out of them too for my youngest daughter, but she's going to love this. How cute is this gonna be on a little bracelet for a 10-year-old? Adorable, so adorable. But let me put them here so you can get a good look. And it has glitter in it too. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that glitter. So cute. The next thing, let's flip it over and see. Oh, I forgot I got these little pizza charms. Now this is cute. Let me get them out of here. So you get 8 pizzas. So once again, like I said, I got a lot of things to make jewelry with my youngest daughter. And oh, you guys, look, they have little faces on them. They are so cute. And I got things that we could make jewelry together, little things, or little keychains. She's 10, so she could make a necklace for her and her little friends. So cute. We could do, like I said, keychains, all kind of little dinglies. So I love that. What we have next. Flip it, all the little candy. Okay, yes, let me open this. I do remember ordering this. Let me open it. Like to me, little pastel kawaii style licorice. So cute. Like, it's just like the other charms with a little head pin on it. Oh yeah. Oh. So how many came in the pack? So there's 12 of these. So we're gonna have some fun. I can't wait to finish doing this haul so that we can get to crafting. The last little pack in my haul. Kind of don't want to open it, but let me go ahead and see. Let's see what this is. Oh, I forgot I got these. I got two. Okay, so these are little fruit charms, but they're not like the first ones. They're metal. Look at the strawberry. This is my absolute fave. Let me show y'all. Oops. Let me see if I can show you. So that's what the strawberry looks like. She's been into strawberries so much lately, and I think strawberries are just like the popular girl this season. But they have different fruits, and the fruits say things like lovely, sweet. What does this say? Lucky. But the strawberry doesn't say anything. The grapes don't say anything either. The grape, can y'all see that grape? How cute is that? Yeah, these are cute. So we are definitely gonna have to get cracking and make us some, oh, these strawberries. And these aren't heavy, like I said, these aren't heavy. I could definitely make earrings with these. But I'll see what she'll wanna do with them. I'm so excited because it's not just, you know how it is when you craft, but like to craft with my daughter, because I have 3 daughters and she's the only one that's kind of a little crafty. She likes to make, but she only likes to make jewelry. But the other 2 just, you know, they're kind of not interested. I have one daughter, she does do hand lettering, really pretty calligraphy, but she just doesn't want to do any other crafts. And I mean, that's fine, but it'll be just fun, you know, crafting with my baby. That is the end of my Temu haul, and that was part 3. So for now, that is all I have. Do not forget about the discount code, which will give you 30% off your first Temu order, which is off5532. You get free shipping, and that's for everybody. Free shipping, free returns, but in the US only. Temu has hundreds of items under $10, and they also have AfterPay and a secure payment. So just check the description box below if you want to get links to anything that you've seen in this haul. That said, I really appreciate you for watching, and thank you so much, Temu, for allowing me this opportunity to show the nice products that you have. And I will see y'all next time, next crafty haul, next craft, next DIY. Bye.